Most people think about retirement savings in terms of spreadsheets, 401k balances, and stock market swings. Necessary? Sure. But exciting? Not really. Now, let me ask you this. What if your retirement plan could actually give you something you could use and enjoy today? Imagine a plan that pays you in income, builds wealth over time, and gives you sunsets on the beach with your family. That's exactly why a 30A beach property might be the smartest retirement investment you'll ever make. And I'll show you why in this video. When we think about retirement, most people immediately think 401ks and IRAs. And don't get me wrong, those are important. But here's the thing. You can't touch them until you're in your 60s without penalties. They're completely tied to market swings you can't control. And honestly, they don't give you much to enjoy along the way. A 401k will help you survive retirement, but it's not going to give you memories or experiences while you're still working and raising a family. A beach property is different because it works for you in multiple ways. First, you've got appreciation. Real estate in prime coastal markets like 30A has historically outperformed because supply is so limited and demand is so constant. There's only so much coastline, and 30A is one of the most desirable stretches in the entire country. Second, you've got rental income. Many 30A vacation homes generate well into six figures annually, covering a large portion of your ownership costs, and potentially creating a true income stream. And third, you've got personal enjoyment. You don't have to wait until retirement. You can use your property for holidays, long weekends, or even just a quick recharge. Try doing that with your 401k. On top of appreciation and income, a beach property comes with powerful tax advantages. Things like depreciation deductions, cost segregation studies, and even 1031 exchanges if you decide to sell and reinvest. All of these tools help you keep more of what you make. And here's what makes this so unique compared to a retirement account: flexibility. You could sell the property later in life for a big lump sum. You could keep it and let it continue producing cash flow in retirement, or you could move in and make it your full-time residence, living the beach lifestyle every day. A 401k has one purpose: to give you money after you stop working. A beach home has multiple paths to create wealth and enjoyment. Not all beach markets are created equal, and here on 30A, you're investing in one of the most unique, high-demand areas in the country. It's not as seasonal. People come year-round thanks to mild winters and incredible community events. Over the past few years, if schools take a break, you'll find 30A busy. You've got diverse neighborhoods, from the new urbanism of Seaside to the luxury of Alice Beach to family-friendly watercolor. And the rental market here is strong. Many homes stay booked throughout the year, and rental rates remain strong because of high demand. The combination of lifestyle, scarcity, and consistent demand is exactly why 30A continues to outperform other coastal markets. So here's the big takeaway. Your 401k will grow quietly in the background, but a 30A beach home, it appreciates, it generates income, and it gives you experiences you can enjoy right now with the people you love. That's why I believe a beach property is more than a home. It's a retirement investment vehicle that pays you in both wealth and memories. If you'd like to learn more, I just published a full article diving deeper into this topic. You can scan this QR code, or you can find the link in the description below. And if you're considering making a move into 30A real estate, let's talk. I'd love to help you explore what's possible for your retirement and your lifestyle. Whether it's your first beach home or you're ready to trade up, I'm here to serve as your guide. Simply scan this QR code to schedule a call or reach out at the contact information in the description below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more 30A real estate insights, community tours, and lifestyle updates. And until next time, make it a great day on 30A.